Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I have a unit that I bought. I said I bought. It is not sponsored. This is a new unit. This is my first time ordering a unit from this company. It is new to me. And hope I am saying this name right. And it came through UPS. I already opened it. Pizazz hair. I have a 4x4, a 18-inch, I'm reading my notes, a where to go HD lace, a deep wave, a human hair 4x4 pre-plucked lace blue list, beginner friendly. And it comes in this cute little bag, and put your wig back in when you get done with it. I thought that was cute. We're gonna always use wig caps. Lashes, which I can't never put on. And your band, your melting band, and of course your satin bag to put your wig back in. And here is this beauty here, the deep wave. It does not have that factory smell. Here's your lace in the back. Make sure you cut your lace off in the back. Your adjustable. I cannot think. Oh, you do not have to cut no lace off in the front. That's what it looks like. The lace already cut. Look at the waves. I'm going to put it on, and like I said, this is adjustable. Oh, you can take these off too. But it's a plus in the back. I don't know if I mentioned the combs in the back. You got one comb in the back, one comb on each side, one comb in the top, which I would not use any of these. I'm going to just leave them where they are due to video purposes. This is my first time taking this out of the bag, so that's why I am looking. Normally, I wash my wigs. I didn't this time. I'm gonna try this on, and then I will temp the lace. She is tight. Let me show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like without me tinting it. All's right here. And these are the baby hairs. Yeah, there's 3 levels that you can adjust it. Got my heated tools on. I got some hair conditioner and water in here. Gonna wet it with some water, H2. Yeah. Sorry about that. My camera stopped. I am not good with baby hairs, guys. So don't come for me. I'm still learning. I didn't do any sideburns over here. I'm just gonna just let it fall like that. I think this is cute. Cute for the summer. Summer girl. Summer, summer, summertime. Summertime. I can't sing, y'all. I ain't gonna quit my day job. I ain't got no job. I had to retire. Yeah, I know I had to retire as a nurse due to the brain aneurysm. Okay, guys. This is the final results of Miss Pizazz. This is the front. Swishing its mic back in the back. I am 5'2". She falls right about here by my boobies. She's a cute wig for the summer. And y'all going to the beach, vacation, wherever you're going. She's cute. A little minor shedding, nothing to cry about. I like her. She's soft. Yeah, just a little minor shedding. I will put all the information in the box below. Tell me, guys, what do you guys think? Would you buy it? Let's have a conversation about this little unit here, this baby here. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Till the next time, you guys. I thank you all so much for stopping by. Keep watching. Thank you.